When it comes to protecting your home, your roof is one of the most vital components. It shields you from the elements, provides insulation, and adds to the overall aesthetic of your house. In Sterling Heights, where residents experience a variety of weather conditions, proper roof maintenance and installation are crucial. One of the most important aspects of roof maintenance is ensuring your shingles are correctly installed. Proper shingle installation can significantly impact the lifespan, energy efficiency, and overall performance of your roof. The longevity of your roof. The most immediate benefit of proper shingle installation is the extended lifespan of your roof. Shingles that are not installed correctly may start to peel, curl, or even become dislodged after only a few years of exposure to the elements. If shingles are poorly installed, they become more vulnerable to severe weather conditions like heavy rain, windstorms, or snow, events that are not uncommon in Sterling Heights. The improper sealing of shingles can lead to leaks, water damage, and a need for early roof replacement, which can be costly. Correctly installed shingles, on the other hand, offer better protection from these elements. High-quality shingles, when laid properly, are designed to work together to create a watertight barrier that will last for years. When shingles are installed by an experienced and professional roofing contractor, they are placed with the right overlap, sealed correctly, and secured tightly to prevent them from being lifted or damaged by wind. This ensures that your roof can withstand the harshest weather conditions, extending the life of your roof and saving you money on repairs. Energy efficiency and comfort. Another important impact of proper shingle installation is its role in improving your home's energy efficiency. The installation process directly affects how well your roof insulates your home. If shingles are installed improperly, it can leave gaps or weak spots in the roof structure, making it more susceptible to air leaks. These air leaks can make it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder and consume more energy. In Sterling Heights, where temperatures can range from sweltering summers to cold, snowy winters, energy efficiency is a key concern for homeowners. Properly installed shingles help keep your home comfortable year-round by improving insulation and minimizing air leakage. They help prevent heat from escaping in the winter and keep your home cooler in the summer by reflecting solar heat away from the house. This can lead to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment for you and your family. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Proper shingle installation also plays a significant role in the curb appeal of your home. Shingles that are aligned and placed correctly create a uniform, neat appearance that enhances the overall look of your house. On the other hand, poorly installed shingles can create an uneven or patchy appearance, which not only detracts from your home's beauty but can also lower its value. Potential buyers are more likely to notice a roof that has been poorly maintained or shoddily installed, and it could even influence their decision to make an offer on your home. Investing in professional shingle installation ensures that your roof not only protects your home but also adds to its aesthetic value. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or you're preparing to sell, a properly installed roof can make a significant difference in how your home is perceived. Protection against water damage. Water damage is one of the most significant threats to your home, and a major contributor to this problem can be poor shingle installation. If shingles are not installed properly, water can seep under the layers, leading to leaks, mold, and rot. These issues can go unnoticed for months or even years, causing extensive damage to the interior of your home and your roof structure. Properly installed shingles ensure that water runs off the roof effectively and does not get trapped underneath, preventing leaks and the costly repairs that come with them. By making sure your shingles are installed by experienced professionals, you can prevent potential water damage and maintain the integrity of your home. Conclusion: the impact of proper shingle installation on your Sterling Heights roof is undeniable. It not only improves the durability and longevity of your roof but also enhances your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and protection from water damage. A properly installed roof is a smart investment that can save you money in the long run and provide peace of mind knowing your home is safe, secure, and well protected from the elements. If you're considering a new roof or replacing your current shingles, it's essential to trust the job to a skilled, experienced roofing professional who understands the specific needs of your home and the local climate.